Yo! Day
What's up,
two.
everybody?
Day two con Carlito. Well, today I just went to go pick up some teas for the coolant. I'm gonna use, as you can see, I put the turbo on. Kind of rushed it again, you guys. Sorry, it's just like I'm rushed to do this. Like I really want to see everything already in place because it's like, ya tiene un rato estar ahí. The box is just sitting in my room for a minute, so.
It's in it for a good time, so it's time to get it.
Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve, everybody, because it is the 24th.
Yep.
And so yeah, I got teas, I got lines from Advance.
Cool.
I slapped the turbo on and then just putting the fittings on because I had the fittings all thrown away and stuff like that. Like, so we're putting the fittings on, we're measuring how much holes we need. We already got one part down, we just need to cut it. And then we decided to take the intercooler out. And maybe we just might get a lot done today, maybe, just maybe. And right now, what we're gonna do is just put the, ooh, it's pretty dark in here, sandwich plate for the feed. And after that, the intake manifold could go on, which is the intake manifold we did the job at his place, which is opening up a little porting. But yeah, guys, be right back. All right, so right now we're in the process of lubing her up.
Just a little bit.
Your hand. Bad boy.
I wasn't in the way.
Let me hold this for you real quick.
Oh, cheers.
Yeah, we got a little sandwich plate up in there. But the problem is that we don't have the right socket for it. Well, I don't have the right socket for it.
I got one.
So
like
we're
3
gonna-
miles away.
So we're gonna have to wait on that, but that's how it looks right now. It looks pretty nice in there.
Then we get the thing from here, come over, come up, and just bring it into.
That's just one thing that we could literally start this car today with the turbo and everything. But I just hesitated on the feet. I don't know why, but I hesitated a lot on the feet. It's a glow shift sandwich plate adapter. It's perfectly fine. We already have everything set. We already have the T tightened down for the water. We already have the sandwich plate in. We already have the new oil filter in. What else do we have? That's pretty much it. All we need is just the feed that I don't have. Clean up the rest of the gasket that's all over this, and the intake manifold will slap on. Oh wait, you know what we should do first? Oh yeah, that'll help a lot. You see, this is what happens when you have tools. Right now, oh fuck.
I don't know what's happening.
Oh, there it is. There it is. It connected. The battery is not on right.
No, it's charged, but
Oh
I think it
fuck.
went bad. Turn here. Turn on.
No, don't do that. Hasta a mí me da pesar.
And I know it's not the batteries, cause
We still have to cut. Oh, there it is.
I know it's not the batteries. Besides, this one's brand new and I did it with this one.
Got a brand new gasket. It's not thermal because you know.
Stingy.
Nah, it's just that I don't have time. If I order something right now during Christmas season, it's gonna like get lost. Vamos pa dentro.
I think you're putting it wrong.
Se la meto.
Ay, completa.
Looking bad though. Yeah.
Agárramela.
Ay, qué rico. Hold up. Ah, it's not even that heavy, dog.
Yeah, it's not. I
You
was just
little
fucking around.
Well, she's hitting on something.
Yeah, in the back. Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
No,
you
it's time
loosen
from
the clutch line, bring it down a bit.
All right, hold on. Take it
You
out real
can,
quick.
you can definitely.
Quick release. ¿Se te pegó?
Or just take, yeah.
That is,
Instead of take, yeah, you know what? Just go ahead and take off the throttle body.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the throttle body off. It'll be easier.
I do the assist with my rope.
That's what I did good. I didn't tighten them to go crazy on them.
Muévelo, cabrón.
Ay!
Just in there, put your finger where you would have put your cock.
Suavecito, güey. I guess they were just practicing something for a meeting or something because like there was no people there.
They can't have people there. Remember COVID. That's what they were talking about.
Oh yeah, but
Junior.
oh, second try. Here we go.
Oh, she's going.
Damn it! I forgot I have to go down there and freaking tie all these shits. Fuck.
Good luck. I'll do the top part.
Yeah, I'm just
easiest.
gonna help out put on the bolts cause
Watch out, bro. Get your hands the fuck out of here.
yeah, cause here. Oh, I got
Get
it.
out the way, dude.
Here.
Pero qué metido sos, man. No jodas.
Fuck yeah.
That's what she said. You serious? You got that nice fade though. Hey, Junior, let's go lay down.
Okay. I don't want to get raped.
It's gonna smell Gucci.
It's on. You guys tying it all the way? Está bien
I
socadito.
don't know about all that. Then yeah.
It's almost on there.
I probably did not.
It's on.
I didn't tighten it with his hands. I tightened it with my hands.
It's
I
on.
ain't-
So you might want to check.
No, I ain't touching shit.
It's on.
No, I don't need you to touch shit, nigga. This nigga brace both.
Did you tighten the ones on the throttle body?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think I might have gone a bit too hard, but
It's fine.
kind of
Let me
kick.
go
It's
grab
not
the
like three of
injector.
them became righty, lefty, righty, loosey.
Yeah. Let me go grab the injector.
Ooh.
It's recording still.
Why do I have to be in a video like that?
Yeah, I don't know.
What if I touch positive and negative with the fuel rail? You're a douchebag. I get you.
Garbage. 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 This is brown, red. They're all in sequence. Like right here. I paint marked them right there.
You might want to clean the bottom part of the injectors before going in, dog. To be honest.
Know what I say to that?
Nope. Nigga.
Just that one. This one.
This is a grammar there. Nothing ethanol.
Yellow is
can't
at the
clean.
end.
Nothing ethanol can't clean. How do you know which one's which?
The good old PFI speed.
You forgot this one.
Fuel roll can come on now.
You don't want to take off that old regulator off
Oh
first?
yeah. But we could take that off. Like,
you
I would do it now. It's gonna be a lot easier because of the O-ring.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, no problem, wait.
Wait, son.
Métela bien.
Así me dijo ella. I still fuck.
Hasta el fondo.
There she goes. There she blows. Let me get the...
Look how much space there is now that the butterfly is in there.
There you go, 3 nuts.
Let me get uno. That's a busted nut. Short air pause. He's growing a beard. He's becoming a man as he builds a Honda. This doesn't look safe.
Yeah. It doesn't work.
What?
Hey, spit it, dog.
Oh, yeah, want some
So we got that intake, injectors on there.
On water?
Probably, yeah, sure. Tire body's on. We're moving.
I found a better one.
Did you do that?
Inside of my box.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Like a random just gasket, just like, hey, use me.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
I'll give y'all some light.
Salud.
We ain't in Florida, we in Miami.
Florida and Miami don't go together.
Yep. We're a whole different
We're a whole different state, county, and everything because we do not associate with northern part of Florida.
Want me to tighten those 10 mils?
No. Hell no. And I keep a 10 mil in my pocket just in case. You find the 10 mil? That's the fastest way. Better not mix it with my tools. Wow, that's racist. Thanks to Milwaukee for selling me a fucking burnt out Dremel. We have never used it. First time using it and it burns out.
First
Right,
time,
Junior?
Yes.
first time using it after 7 years.
It's the first time I ever get disappointed by Milwaukee.
Anoche.
Come on, you know you guys can sponsor this video.
That's why I fucking hate those motherfuckers.
Where's the boost at? It's not there.
Fuck that clamp. I'm gonna use the other ones though.
And we got this bit right here. We don't have anything else. And we peed in the pan to make it look like coolant.